But these one are really good to the people get high blood pressure, even also for diabetic people. For the diabetic one, blend this in the blender, no salt, no sugar in it, strain out and you drink the juice. That help to balance the glucose in your blood. But this is something really good for you. Taste caramels.
Taste is the most important, right? It's the flavor. Like you can buy a curry taste.
Green onion and big red chili. And then after that, using the central finger up, bring it up the skip, then index finger in, yeah, and break the membrane to the center. So they'll like make it big hole. Okay, up to like this, yeah, this one here, one inside. Good. And one inside the vegetable and all you replace with unsalted butter. Or lemon or orange slice is okay. Yeah. Or yeah. Can you use paper instead? Yes, paper.
Other end. If you are, you deal when you change.
Long and bit flat, guys. 1, 2. When the small pieces, you can add in 4 pieces plate. When the big one can be also using 3.
Yeah. Take care of your satay. You tell me anytime.
Okay, you come back.
Everyone,
That's fine now.
so later after finish your cooking, you
Lollipop.
lollipop satay.
Sorry.